Hi guys, welcome to Antwerp, Belgium. Today we are walking the Meir, the busiest shopping street in the country and one of the most visited in all of Europe. Let's dive into the heart of this city. If you want to feel the real pulse of Antwerp, you come here, to the Meir. It's always alive, locals rushing to work, students meeting friends, tourists with cameras, families shopping, and the street performers adding the rhythm to the day. The street doesn't really sleep, it just changes the tempo. You will find everything here, big international brands, Belgian fashion, cafes, chocolate shops, sneakers, perfumes, accessories, and yes, more fashion. This is Belgium after all. Whether you are window shopping or you came to destroy your credit card, Meir has something for every budget and every style. What many people don't realize while shopping here is that Meir is centuries old. The name Meir came from an old word meaning pond. Hard to imagine, right? But this is a busy place, once a wet, low-lying area outside the old city walls. Over time, markets formed here, merchants gathered, and eventually it grew into an elegant walking area today. It's very easy to look only at the store windows, but if you look up at the buildings, you will see Antwerp's history in the stone. Beautiful 18th and 19th century grand windows, curved details. Even though the brands are modern, the street itself still wears the old European charm. And of course, it wouldn't be Belgium without chocolate, waffles and coffee. Meir is a perfect stop between bites. Shop a little, snack a little, shop a little more. That's basically the rhythm of this street. Antwerp is famous in the fashion world, and you will feel that the identity is right here. Style is a part of the city's DNA. Even just people watching on the Meir can feel like a runway. Different looks, different cultures, all blending together on one long shopping street. On weekends, the street becomes a moving river of people, conversations in different languages, music echoing between the buildings, footsteps on the stone. It's one of those places where you don't just walk, you float with a crowd. And that's the magic of Meir. You don't need a plan, you don't need a map, you just walk, explore, and let the street entertain you. Every corner has movement, every window has something new, and every passerby could be a form of different part of the world. So that's a walk through the Meir, Antwerp's beating heart. If you enjoyed this street vibe, subscribe for more city walks and travel videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.